Here's how to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. Now open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or go to facebook.com on a computer. We need to get to your settings to be able to either choose to deactivate or to delete it, depending on which one you prefer. So tap on the menu button at the bottom right, and then scroll down to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Now keep in mind, on an Android phone or computer, sometimes that menu button is at the top right instead. Now that we're in here, sometimes they move around where we can either deactivate or delete it. It's always in the Account Center, but potentially it's in the Accounts option as well. So let's tap on Account Center, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Accounts. Now you might see on here, if there's an option that says Manage or Edit, you can go in here to delete it. If you don't see that as an option, then you're on sort of the old format of how they choose to either deactivate or delete it. That's how I am. So I'm going to hit the back arrow and go to Personal Details instead, and Account Ownership and Control. From here, you'll be able to see it gives you the option to either deactivate or to delete your account. We can choose to do either one. So tap on that and then choose, in this case, Facebook. And now you can see it says deactivate account, which is temporary, or delete your account, which is completely permanent, and it will delete all of your information, photos, all that stuff. Let's, in this example, choose to deactivate and hit continue. I'll show you what this looks like. First, you need to enter in the password for your Facebook account. So let me autofill that real quick. And after I've done that, I can just choose whatever I want. It doesn't really matter what you choose here. Just hit continue. Now it does say at the very bottom, do I want to reactivate after 7 days? But I don't necessarily want to. I want to just manually reactivate it. So I'm going to choose don't reactivate automatically and hit continue and continue. Now keep in mind, it will either deactivate or delete a Facebook page if you're an admin of one. So just keep that in mind. You might want to download that information as well. Once you're good to go, you can scroll down to the bottom and either hit the delete or deactivate button, and it will be either permanently deleted or just temporarily deactivated.